In today's video, we'll visit the top gardens in Funchal, Madeira. This quick guide will show you how to visit them all in one day, the best ways to get there, and how long each visit takes. We'll also cover the walking routes and the best places to rest. Welcome back to Plan Travel, where we help you to plan your next journey. There are two big gardens in Funchal that you don't want to miss out on: the Monte Palace Tropical Garden and the Botanical Garden. They are located close to each other, but sometimes it might take an hour to get from one place to another. So, my first hack is to start early in the morning so you have enough time to visit them without rushing. Getting there. From my experience, the best way to reach Monte Tropical Garden is by taking the cable car from Funchal's old town. This 20-minute ride offers stunning views along the way. Once you're on top, there is a ticket office where you can enter the tropical garden. The price list is in my description. Walking in, you'll see a nice cafeteria where you can enjoy a fresh cup of coffee or something to eat in green surroundings. It's a perfect spot to relax before or after exploring the park. The prices were very reasonable for such a touristy place. Guys, nothing is flat in Madeira. The garden is hilly with many uphill and downhill paths. Plan to spend 2 to 3 hours exploring. You'll see beautiful plants and flowers from around the world. Enjoy lovely ponds and streams. The ponds where you can pet the fish. Honestly, I'm not kidding. Admire interesting sculptures and tile work. Visit the Sculpturist Museum for a unique art experience. It's small and you can visit it in less than 5 minutes. Stroll through the peaceful Japan garden. Take in an incredible view of Funchal and the sea. After visiting the tropical garden, you can choose. Either go down by cable car to the botanical gardens or do the toboggan sledge ride from Monte Palace Garden and visit the botanical garden on another day. The toboggan ride is unique to Funchal and a great way to return to the old town. If you're full of energy and feel that the toboggan ride can wait for another few hours, visit the botanical garden. Before you go, treat yourself to a coffee and a slice of cake at a cafe on the way to the cable car that will take you to the botanical garden. Make sure to get a separate ticket for the cable car, and you can purchase a ticket to the botanical garden when you arrive. It's another beautiful ride that you don't want to miss. Once you're at the botanical garden, you can expect a stunning variety of plants. Just a short distance from the ticket office, you'll be greeted with a breathtaking view that you won't believe. You'll see vibrant carpets of colorful flowers creating a beautiful display. The garden also has an impressive collection of cactuses, adding unique and interesting shapes to the scenery. Exploring the botanical garden will take you about 2 hours. This gives you enough time to walk around, enjoy the beautiful views, and see all the different plants. There is a hill in the garden, so take your time and don't rush. I hope you enjoyed my quick guide to these beautiful gardens. If you want to see more of Funchal, please check out my top places in Funchal. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps us create similar content for you. Thanks again and see you next week, my friends, when I tell you all about the incredible hikes in Madeira that you can't miss out on and discuss if it's safe to hike solo. Until next week, my friends. Bye!